This guide will help you enable frame stuttering in Valorant, which can enhance your gaming experience by making the visuals more dynamic. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Open Valorant. Launch the Valorant game on your computer. Wait for the game to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access settings. Once in the main menu, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to graphics settings. In the settings menu, find the graphics tab. Click on it to access various graphics-related options that can affect performance and visual quality. Step 4. Adjust frame rate settings. Look for the frame rate settings within the graphics options. Set the frame rate limit to a value that suits your monitor's refresh rate, or choose unlimited if you want to push for maximum performance. Step 5. Save and restart. After making your adjustments, make sure to save your settings. Restart the game to ensure that all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to enable frame stuttering in Valorant, enhancing your overall gaming experience. Enjoy your game.